Yeah? Why are you wearing that stupid mask anyway? What the hell are you doing? Hello, brother. Are you going to show your face in this video at all?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okie dokie. This house is too big. I can't record it until I get like behind the Amigo.
Alright, Simon, come on.
This is my messed up car. Okay. Jeez! I'm gonna get ran over trying to get across this road.
You're going that far back. I was trying to look at the picture on
There
it.
you go. See? I had to go this far to get the hell out of there. Ugh. Let me go so tiny. There's Simon. Gertie's car. Okay. This window. Mine's the only window with a sticker on it.
There.
From what grade? Elementary school? Alright.
And you have the only one that has...
Get up here.
I don't know. Everyone? I don't know if I'm pretty. You think Aunt Chloe's ever tried drugs?
I don't know. Drugs are bad.
Not always.
My room. Okay, we're going to the backyard. What are you throwing? Crap, Mario. I'm recording you. I know, here's an unknown bike. It's spray painted silver and orange. Okay. It's so loud back here. Okay. What do you have to say about our messy back porch, Mario?
Gary kind of cleaned it up a lot, though.
This is our iguana. I can't even see it. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Ugh. Iguana. Okay.
Alright, Alex, you feel a pool?
Pool? Our grill. Yeah, okay. You can see inside the house. It's the infinitely spinning ball, Mario.
Yeah.
The ball will not stop spinning until you move it. Okay. Okay, our pool. Our pool is really small, right, Mario?
Huh?
Our pool is small.
Yeah.
Out the other side of our house. Ooh. When's the last time you've been out in the back, Mario?
Since we're doing all those chores and those people are here chopping on the street.
There used to be a hammock between those trees. I miss our hammock, Mario. The hammock is gone.
Too many memories back here.
Like what?
A lot.
A lot. Big tree. Our poor tree. Somebody cut it down. There's no more tree. Huh?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to me, you. Really. Come with me, Mario.
To where?
Down here. Oh. Ow. Ah! This is our big lake that is dried up right now. You remember when this whole lake caught on fire, Mario?
Yeah, it was over there.
Yeah, this whole lake right here caught on fire, and I was sitting up on the hill watching it. Mario, you're nasty. Ooh, show yourself. Come on. Mario's tattoo. Okay. You suck. You're boring. Have to watch out for snakes. Huh. Go. Here. This is the sunset place I was talking about when it's sunset. You can't see it right now because it's not sunset yet. This is the big hill that I was talking about. Hello. Victoria. Simon. Our turtles. Dimitri got big. Dimitri. And Rudy, he's really mean. I don't even remember their names anymore. What's these names again? Our bearded dragons. This one is sleeping. No, it blinked, okay. Miyu, say hello to Miyu.
Hello.
Hello. Say hello. Konnichiwa. This is my little sister, Brett, and my cousin Jared. Yay. Being stupid. Okay. Love you.